Stir fry green beans, guys, with tofu. Very healthy and easy to cook. Yummy. You see the tofu? Yummers. I love tofu. See? Green beans. And I put some onion and green bell pepper. See? My lunch. You can see, guys. Yummers.